Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and aligning tools within reach. This protects electronics and keeps parts ordered. Use a magnifier and steady your hands on a flat surface so you avoid slipping. Next, depress the quick release or use a 0.8 mm pusher to remove the spring bar or broken pin. Do this gently, because forcing it bends lugs or deforms the band. Once removed, lay the pin and any fragments in a tray, and inspect the holder to decide repair versus replacement. You now determine whether to repair the existing pin holder or swap in a replacement. This matters because a repaired holder saves parts, but a replacement restores factory strength. If you glue, clean both surfaces and use a small metal shim, then clamp lightly for the epoxy cure time. Make sure alignment is exact to avoid misfit. If you replace, test fit the new holder and verify screw threads or spring tension. Once fit is perfect, reinsert the new spring bar or pin to check retention. You reassemble by compressing the spring bar and seating it into the repaired or replaced holder. Make sure both ends click into their slots so the band cannot detach. Then test by applying a moderate pull and rotating the band to confirm full movement and no rubbing against the case. If there is play, swap to a longer or thicker bar or replace the holder. Re-glue only if surfaces are clean and stable. If problems persist, stop and consult a replacement parts diagram to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.